Hello and thanks for watching my video. Here we have lovely Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. So that means it's a plug-in electric vehicle. So it's plug-in hybrid. So you can either run it just off the battery and charge it, or you can run it just off the engine, or you can use it on both. If you use it on both, it will give you about 150 mpg, so nice and economical. Lovely looking car. Got the really nice alloys, black with the blacked out windows on the rear, silver roof rails. You've got the fuel cap on this side, charging points on the other. Really good spec as well, so let's take a look inside. Got 2 remote keys. Nice condition. Will be freshly serviced before sale, so no ongoing spend. Inside, keyless start. And then we've got heated seats, front driver and passenger, auto hold, so it's automatic, and you've got the auto handbrake hold, which is a nice option. Twin motor, 4-wheel drive, sport button, heated steering wheel, obviously really nice option, USB inputs, electronic climate control, nice touchscreen system with DAB radio, smartphone interface, multifunction steering wheel, and you've got cruise control with a speed limiter, paddle shifters for the auto box, auto lights, auto wipers, parking sensors, electric windows all round, full leather interior, and really nice leather as well. ISOFIX in the rear. So nice family vehicle. Feels good, nice and reliable as well. Nice size. Tow bar with the electrics. Auto boot. Nice big boot with a roller blind, and you got the charging cable there. So you got the 2 different chargers for the fast charge, or the one just for a normal 3-pin socket. As with all of our cars, comes with national warranty and roadside assistance. Best prices paid for part exchange. We've got low rate finance deals available. Great finance on this one. So you could do PCP deal. So definitely more affordable than you think. So give us a call today and let's talk about this wonderful car. Thank you.